Welcome to Mini Store Channel. In a small corner of the house, the vacuum cleaner stands there like a loyal companion. Soft light gently illuminates its glossy surface, creating a familiar and captivating image. Every time we see the vacuum cleaner, we not only see a typical cleaning device but also sense an indispensable part of modern life. Behind its simple design lies maximum utility and technological advancement, symbolizing progress and convenience in our daily lives. Introducing the ultimate cleaning powerhouse designed to tackle every corner of your home with unparalleled efficiency, our advanced vacuum cleaner boasts powerful suction capabilities, effortlessly conquering dirt, debris, pet hair, and even the toughest messes. With a generous cleaning path width of 10.63 inches, no speck of dust or dirt stands a chance. Equipped with cutting-edge self-cleaning brush roll technology featuring Dirt Engage, our vacuum ensures non-stop removal of long hair and pet hair, keeping your floors immaculate with minimal effort. The innovative Dirt Engage technology sets a new standard in cleaning performance, surpassing all Shark cordless vacuums by effortlessly removing deeply embedded debris from carpets and directly engaging with bare floors for a thorough clean like never before. Forget about interruptions during your cleaning routine. With up to 40 minutes of runtime in standard mode, you can effortlessly navigate through your home, leaving no corner untouched. And with the convenience of a removable battery, you have the flexibility to charge it in or out of the unit, ensuring continuous cleaning whenever and wherever you need it. But our commitment to cleanliness doesn't stop there. Our vacuum features anti-allergen complete seal technology combined with a HEPA filter, effectively trapping dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner, so you can breathe easy knowing your home is not just clean, but also a haven of purity and freshness. Say hello to a whole new level of cleaning excellence with our advanced vacuum cleaner. Introducing the epitome of cleaning innovation, the Shark HydroVac Cordless Pro XL, a marvel of versatility that revolutionizes the way you clean your home. Combining the functions of vacuuming, mopping, and self-cleaning, this powerhouse device is your ultimate solution for achieving deep-cleaned hard floors and pristine area rugs effortlessly. With its formidable suction power and hydro-mopping capabilities, the HydroVac effortlessly tackles wet and dry messes, stains, and grime, leaving behind a streak-free, immaculate surface that's ready to be walked on almost immediately. Thanks to its continuous self-cleaning system, dirt is prevented from being redeposited on your floors, while the brush roll works tirelessly to combat odors and bacteria, ensuring your home stays fresh and clean. Designed for multi-surface cleaning excellence, the HydroVac is compatible with all sealed hard floors, from hardwood to tile, marble, and laminate. It not only removes surface dirt and odors from area rugs but also eliminates odors with its advanced odor neutralizing technology, making it a perfect choice for pet owners. Cleanup has never been easier, thanks to the debris filtration technology in the dirty water tank, which separates solids from liquids for quick and effortless emptying. The intelligently designed clean tank maximizes cleaning efficiency with smart suction and flow control, while the LED display offers seamless control over self-clean mode, floor type adjustment, and real-time battery life and tank levels. Experience the freedom of cordless convenience with up to 23 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning power, allowing you to effortlessly transition between rooms without the hassle of cords and outlets. And with the Shark HydroVac Cordless Pro XL, you'll receive everything you need for a comprehensive cleaning experience, including multi-surface concentrates, antimicrobial brush rolls, a foam filter, and a charging dock. Say hello to a new era of cleaning perfection with the Shark HydroVac Cordless Pro XL. Introducing the pinnacle of cleaning convenience, the Jet 90 cordless vacuum, designed to exceed your expectations with its exceptional performance, unmatched versatility, and effortless maneuverability. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional vacuums and embrace the freedom of cordless cleaning with our innovative dual charging system and extended battery life. With up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning power, you can conquer every corner of your home without interruption. And thanks to the dual charging station, which can charge 2 batteries simultaneously in just 3.5 hours, you'll never have to wait long to resume your cleaning routine. Plus, with the option to easily swap out batteries, your cleaning sessions can last as long as you need them to. Equipped with 200 air watts of intense suction power, the Jet 90 effortlessly tackles a variety of surfaces, from hardwood and tile to carpeting. Its lightweight design, weighing in at a mere 6 pounds, combined with 4 length adjustments, ensures effortless maneuverability around your home. Whether you're vacuuming stairs, reaching beneath sofas or appliances, or cleaning high cabinets and window blinds, the Jet 90 makes it a breeze. Featuring the turbo action brush, rotating more than 3,700 times a minute with 180 degrees swivel flexibility, this powerhouse device efficiently cleans dust, hair, and other debris on multiple surfaces with ease. And with our Jet Cyclone technology, debris is prevented from building up on the filter, thanks to the powerful multi-cyclonic system that pushes dirt into the dustbin. Experience the next level of cleaning efficiency and convenience with the Jet 90 cordless vacuum. With its advanced features, lightweight design, and powerful performance, it's the ultimate cleaning companion for every home. Say hello to a cleaner, fresher living space with the Jet 90. Introducing the Dyson cordless powerhouse, redefining the standards of versatile deep cleaning without the limitations of cords. Engineered with Dyson's renowned powerful suction, this vacuum ensures a thorough clean on every surface of your home. With a charging time of just 3.5 hours, it's always ready to tackle any mess with its impressive suction power, even in boost mode, reaching up to 151 Ah. Equipped with 3 cleaning modes, you have the flexibility to adjust the power according to your needs, boasting 30% more suction than its predecessor, the Dyson V8. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, thanks to the battery-saving trigger that maximizes energy efficiency, ensuring power is only utilized when necessary. Crafted specifically for homes with pets, this vacuum features a detangling motor bar cleaner head, meticulously engineered to deep clean carpets and hard floors, effortlessly removing long hair and pet hair from the brush bar. Its lightweight design and versatility allow for easy conversion to a handheld unit, perfect for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery, complemented by 4 Dyson-engineered tools for comprehensive cleaning. Say goodbye to stubborn pet hair with the hair screw tool, designed to remove pet hair from upholstery and tight spaces, featuring an anti-tangle conical brush bar. Experience advanced whole machine filtration that traps 99.99% of particles and dust as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air in your home. Plus, with a washable filter that can be reused for the lifetime of the machine, you'll significantly reduce waste while maintaining peak performance. With no loss of suction, thanks to its 14 cyclones arranged across 2 tiers, this vacuum guarantees consistent airflow and captures fine dust particles, ensuring your vacuum never loses suction power. Backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support, invest in the Dyson cordless powerhouse for a cleaner, healthier home environment. Introducing the pinnacle of cordless vacuum technology, our intelligent vacuum, equipped with laser illumination for unprecedented cleaning precision. Engineered to deliver whole home deep cleans, this vacuum boasts unparalleled suction power, runtime, and a suite of tools designed to tackle every corner of your home, especially those with pets. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, our vacuum ensures extended cleaning sessions, optimized by a power-saving trigger that maximizes battery life by utilizing power only when necessary. The addition of laser technology reveals microscopic dust on hard floors, guaranteeing no speck goes unnoticed. Experience intelligent suction optimization with our piezo sensor and Dyson DLS technology, which automatically adjusts suction and runtime based on debris level and floor type, ensuring the perfect balance of power and efficiency. The LCD screen provides scientific proof of a deep clean, categorizing picked up particles and displaying runtime countdown and power mode, all in real time. Equipped with 2 advanced cleaner heads, including the Laser Slim Fluffy for revealing hidden dust on hard floors and the digital motor bar for deep cleaning carpets and hard floors with detangling technology, our vacuum ensures thorough cleaning on every surface. It effortlessly converts to a handheld unit for versatile cleaning, complemented by 7 Dyson-engineered tools, including the innovative hair screw tool for pet hair removal. Experience advanced whole machine filtration, trapping 99.99% of particles and dust as small as 0.3 microns, while the washable filter reduces waste by being reusable for the machine's lifetime. Discover the future of cleaning with our intelligent cordless vacuum, setting new standards in precision, efficiency, and performance for a cleaner, healthier home environment. Above all, the vacuum cleaner is not just an ordinary cleaning tool but also a symbol of utility and progress in modern life. From its powerful cleaning ability to its flexibility and usage, from its intelligent design to its capability to optimize performance, the vacuum cleaner not only helps us maintain a clean living space but also provides a sense of comfort and peace of mind. Behind every vacuum cleaner is the relentless effort of manufacturers to deliver the best products to consumers. By applying advanced and innovative technology, vacuum cleaners are continuously improved and developed to meet the increasing demands of modern society. Ultimately, every time we see a vacuum cleaner, we not only remember its cleaning function but also appreciate the progress and utility it brings. The vacuum cleaner is not just a tool but also a reliable partner, helping us maintain a healthy and comfortable living environment. The product link is below the description, everyone can refer to it there.